Jeb McKeon, and today we're going to talk about wearing a GoPro when you exchange your child with the other parent of that child. Now, this is a crazy concept, but I've seen it happen, and sometimes I advise people to do this. All right, so parents who are no longer in a relationship together, whether they were ever married or not, or whether they're divorced, have to meet up somewhere typically to exchange the child. Okay, so say we have week on, week off visitation, and the exchange isn't at school. Say it's at the Walmart parking lot, all right? Well, sometimes these parents don't get along. That's probably why they're not in a relationship anymore, and these exchanges can become contentious. And some parents, for better or for worse, end up calling the police and making up allegations about what occurred at the exchange, even trying to get the other parent arrested. This is a real thing that happens very often. And I have some parents who will wear a GoPro or a video recorder on their chest. It's not even hidden at all child exchanges. They'll have it strapped to their chest, so it is recording everything at those child exchanges. So it is completely clear what did or did not happen at those child exchanges. And sometimes people tell me how their significant other is or how the other parent is, and I encourage them to do this, okay? This sounds crazy, but people do not tell the truth in court proceedings. The only way to protect yourself is to have a video recording of what actually occurred, so you have documented proof of what did or did not happen. So, wearing a GoPro at child exchanges, this is a real thing. You may want to consider it if you have difficulties with your ex or the parent of the child, the other parent of the child, just to protect yourself. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can also view my other YouTube videos.